guys, welcome to my haul. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now, CVS to me was a little slow this week, which is totally fine. I've been really relying on my digital coupons and other things, but I did get some pretty decent stuff. I got a couple money makers, and my haul ended up becoming a free money maker. So I am here to share with you guys what I got. Okay, so the first deal they have is the Hallmark cards. Now, when they used to be, the other ones, they used to have 99-cent cards. The Hallmark section no longer carries the 99-cent cards. They have the 2 for $4. I always am like cheap when it comes to cards. I'm not a card person. If I have to give them out, I give them out, but I have so many cards, you guys, it's like ridiculous. But I couldn't pass up this deal, and I needed to get a couple cards. I needed to get a couple things. I wanted to get a sympathy card for Llewellyn and my brother's wedding and everything. So I am, these are all 2 for $4, so I ended up getting 4 of them, so it's $8 for this. I had a 4 off of 4 CRT that printed from last week for Hallmark, so you guys would end up paying $4 for this. But then when you buy 3 of them, you get a $3 extra care box, so it makes it basically $1 for all 4 of them, or a quarter a piece if you guys have that deal. I cannot pass up, you know, cheap cards. I cannot pass them up. I mean, these are even cheaper than Dollar Tree. Even though Dollar Tree does sell Hallmark cards, I still can't pass these up. So I ended up doing that deal. Now, I was having problems with my Schick coupons. What they need to do is they scan the product, scan the coupon, scan the product, scan the coupon. So just giving you guys a heads up if your store doesn't have it. But I ended up getting the Skintimate, and my store did not have any until I was walking out the door. Then I saw that they had a whole big display of the Skintimate razors, but you know, that's okay. So these are 2 for $12, and then the other one is $8.99. Now I had a CRT for like this trimmer or whatever. I was trying to find it. I couldn't figure it out. I looked online and I'm like, oh yeah, it's like an eyebrow trimmer or something like that. My store doesn't have any. It's sold out online, but I had some CRTs that were like $5 off, $5 off. So I really wanted to do that deal, but not a big deal. So I ended up using these. I had a $1 off app coupon for this. I had a 6 off of 2 printable coupons, or the inserts that we got today. I also had a $4 off coupon for this. There's also digital coupons for that. And then I used a 4 off of 2 Skintimate CRT, and then I used a 5 off of 20 razor CRT. Sorry, you guys. You guys would get these for 99 cents. You'll pay 99 cents for 3 of these. 99 cents. Okay? But you guys will get $5 when you spend, when you spend $20 or more, you'll get $5. So these right here became a $4.01 moneymaker. I got these absolutely for free. So loving it, loving it, loving it. So yeah, I didn't get very much, you guys. It's kind of sad, but I ended up getting Pantene. I've been getting Pantene like crazy. I swear, the last 3 times I've been at CVS, I've been getting Pantene. I don't mind it. I haven't used it in years, but there's some people that are hardcore about this. My aunt used to be a beautician, and this was like big back then. She's told me is you only need like a dime shape size of this, and they say water it down because it's like a little too thick. But everybody's opinions differently. Everybody uses this differently. So the Pantene was 3 for $15. I had a 3 off of 3 coupon. I lost it. I could not find it, but I ended up having a 3 off of 3 digital coupon that I used. I also had a 4 off of 14 Pantene CRT that I used for this. So you guys would pay $8 for all 3 bottles of shampoo, but you get $5 back in an extra care box, making them $3 or just $1 a piece. Oh, and last week I thought I was gonna get $3 or $6 of extra care box. I ended up getting $9 is what I got. So yes. Okay, and this is the last deal. I know, you guys, it's kind of sad, but I ended up getting the Poise Pads. Now these were $5.99. You guys want to use a $3 off digital coupon that we got in our insert, or no, it's a digital coupon. Jennifer, seriously. But you guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys can, you guys will get a $2 extra care buck printed back, and you guys can submit your receipt to fetch rewards. You will get points for this, making this just 99 cents. So yeah, so that was my haul, you guys. It wasn't much. I'm just, I don't know, I was kind of in a hurry just to get out of there. A lot of things is they didn't have a lot of signs up. Like, I had to kind of guess what it was. But my total, oh wait, hold on, I got one more thing. I don't know what I did with it. Crap. It was lipstick. I gotta go figure out what I did with it. But the Physicians Formula lipstick I got. Oh, wait, you guys, I'm not done yet. I'm not done. The Physicians Formula is $9.99. We got a $4 off CRT that printed from the red machine today. You guys would end up paying $5.99 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making it just 99 cents. So, pretty excited. I have yet to use this stuff, but I chose I like a pretty decent color. I felt like I got more. And then this sample was right next to the red machine. I was looking at it. What I get a kick out of is it says it's a sample, but you got to pay 49 cents for it. A sample, but you pay 49 cents for it. Okay, but these are Natural Fruit Bite women's vitamins. Now, they didn't have men's. The display showed there was men's, but these are 49 cents, and you guys do get a coupon for 49 cents in the red machine that prints off today. So you guys will get these absolutely free. There's only 2 of them in here, so pretty decent. Fruit is the first ingredient. No, I wonder. I suck at like fruits and vegetables and stuff, so I don't know what this is, but it is vegetarian. No high corn fruit syrup, no GMOs, no gelatin. Okay, gluten free. Yeah, okay. So my total came to $0, you guys. $0 bucks. I ended up using $19 of extra care bucks, but I received $20 back. So my grand total technically became a $1 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I absolutely love. Like I said, it's not a very big week at CVS, which is totally fine with me. It just sucks that they don't have the signs up, but you know, that's okay. I get confused with the signs they already have up that they forgot to take down from yesterday, but that is okay. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all next week. Hopefully we have an awesome haul, and I'll catch you guys all later. Bye-bye.